Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this Clover octahedron cube from Line. Line has similar cubes like Clover Pyraminx, then Sunflower cube. So I mean the strategy to solve this is more or less same. So first I'll just show you the pieces. So this is centerpiece. These are axes, so 1 2 3 4 and 5, these are axes. So if you look at this, they don't move from its side, it only rotates. These are petals, and these pieces are edge pieces. So there are 3 edge pieces in each side, and the solve strategy will start from one side and then we'll solve the other side, and then we'll go up. So first let's say we'll solve this side, and then we'll go from here to solve the other side, and then we'll go on top. So first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is to orient the axis. So first we'll orient all axes. So if you look at if we start from, let's say, blue, so there are 1 2 3 axes are into its correct place. We need to place this axis, but for that we need to first move this axis, this axis. So now we can move this. Okay, and now we have to move this axis. So these are oriented properly. Now next is this. This is oriented. This is oriented. This is oriented. This is oriented. Okay, so green side is also done. Now okay, white side. So white side is also done. Next is purple. So for purple, first we need to fix this orange, and then this gray, red and yellow, and then we can move purple. Okay, so this is done. This is also oriented, and this is also oriented. So I think all edges are oriented, all axes are oriented into its correct position. So our first step is done. Okay, so now next step is to fix one side. We can take any of the sides. So we'll start with white. So first we'll fix the petal. So we'll see if we can fix the petal of this side. So just bring this on top side, and we'll fix this white petal over here, and bring this back, and bring this back. So this is fixed. Okay, we need one white and purple edge piece over here. So where is white and purple edge piece? it is here. Okay, so we have to bring this white and purple edge piece on this side. So simply bring it here. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll use this like this and bring this back and bring this back. Okay, so this is fixed. Okay, and bring it into its original position. Okay, so this is fixed. Now next is we have to fix one white petal that is here to this side. So what we'll do is we'll bring this again in this position like this, and now what we can do is we'll try to fix it from this side. Like this, and it is fixed. Now bring this back and bring this axis also back into its original position. Okay, so this is done. Now next is this white petal, white and green edge piece. So white and green edge piece is here. Okay, that we need to fix it here. So we'll just first bring this edge piece on this side, and now we'll try to fix it. So this is fixed, and bring this back. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now we have to fix this petal. So what we'll do is we'll have to again bring this up like this, and now we have to bring this white petal on this side and bring it back and bring this back. Okay, so this is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed. Now we have to fix white and blue edge piece. So where is white and blue edge piece? Okay, white and blue edge piece is here, that we need to fix it. So we'll first bring this white and blue edge piece near to this position, and then we'll fix it. So we'll bring this position, axis, and we'll try to fix it. So this is fixed. Now bring this back and okay, so now you can see this is moved out, so we can easily fix it by just bring this up like this, and we can solve like this and bring it back again. Bring all the edge pieces into its correct position. Okay, so now we can see we have almost all edges are fixed and one petal we need to fix, that is here. So again we'll use the same technique. So first we'll bring this up and now we'll fix from here and back. So this is done. So our one side is done. Okay, so now we will fix the bottom side of each layer, each side, and then we'll fix the edges of each side and then we'll go up. So this will be now our base, and now we'll fix all petals and edges like this. Okay, so first we have to fix this blue petal. So blue petal is here. So first we'll bring this petal near to this position and we'll bring this up, and now we'll fix it like this, and it is done. So this is fixed. Now this is our base. So now we have to fix this petal, green petal. So green petal is here and one petal is here. So first I'll fix the axis. Okay, so this petal we can fix it over here. So what we can do is we can use 3-cycle algorithm. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is up, up, down, I'm sorry it get stuck. So okay, so we'll fix it from here, this side, and then down. So this is done, this is done. Now we have to fix this green petal over here. So simply we'll bring it up like this and we'll fix it from here and bring this down and put this into its correct position. So this is done. Now we have to fix this petal which is here. So we'll use this 3-cycle. This will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is down, down, up and up. So this is fixed, this is fixed. Now we have to fix the purple petal that is here and here. So we'll use this. So this will be our position, and now this petal will come here and fix with this. Okay, So this is fixed, and bring this back, and now bring it all axes into its correct position. So this is done. Now we have to fix this orange petal over here. So we'll bring this out first, and up, up, down, and down. Okay, so this is fixed. Now we have to fix this blue petal over here. So again we'll take this blue petal out, and now we'll bring this up and put this petal into its correct position and back. So this is done. So now you can see all petal and edges near to our base is fixed. Okay, now we'll fix the edges of this side. So first let's start with this green and red. So where is green and red edge piece? Okay, green and red edge piece is here. So we'll fix edge piece of green and red from this side. Okay, so now we have to fix it from this side. So this is fixed, you can see it, and now bring this back and put all edges axis into its correct position again. So back, back, and back. Okay, so this is fixed. Now we have purple and red. So where is purple and red is here. So simply we have to bring this purple and red this side, and we'll bring it up and we'll fix it from this side like this, and bring this back. So this is fixed, and put all the axes into its correct orientation again. So this is done. Now orange and purple. So where is orange and purple? Orange and purple. Okay, orange and purple is here, so that we need to fix it here. So this side we'll bring first, and then we'll put orange and purple this side, and bring this back, put this into its correct position, and back. Okay, now if you see, this petal is moved out, so we can fix it from this side. So simply we have to just bring this orange side on this side and put this petal into its correct position and bring this back. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so this is our base, and now we have fixed 1, 2, 3, and now we have to fix this edge piece, that is blue and orange. Blue and orange is here. So simply first bring it down, like this, and from here we can fix it. You can see we can fix from here like this. So this is fixed. Bring this back, and now undo all the axis which we have moved. Okay, so this is done. Now gray and blue is here only, so simply we'll have to bring this away, take this away, and like this, and now we have to rotate this, and now we'll have to place it like this and bring this back into its correct position. So this is done. Okay, now gray and green. So gray and green is here, so simply bring it near to this position so that we can fix it from here. So it is placed, and now bring this back. So this is done. Okay, so now we can see all our edge pieces are fixed. Okay, now we'll go on top side. Now first let us orient the axis. Okay, now we'll fix the petals of this side. So here it should be red, so red petal is here. So first we'll fix red petal from this side. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix green petal. Okay, green petal is here. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to bring this petal into this position, and now from here we can fix it. First bring this up, and now from here we can fix this and bring it back. Okay, so since you know this red petal is moved out, we can fix it from this side. So bring this up and now place it. So this is fixed. Okay, now we have to fix this red petal. So that red petal is here, we need to fix it. So bring this next to this side like this, and from here we can fix it. So bring this up like this, and now place it. Back, back, and back. Okay, so now we have to fix the purple petal. So simply bring this up and place this purple petal from this side and down. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now we have to fix this orange petal. So take this petal out, rotate this and bring this back and back. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now we have to fix this orange and yellow edge piece. so that is here. So first we'll bring this out, place this, so this is also fixed, and now we'll fix this orange and yellow edge piece and bring this back. Okay, so this is fixed. Okay, so now next is to fix this yellow petal, sorry, orange petal over this side. So up, down, and down. Okay, now if you see, we have moved this edge piece from this side, so we'll use 3-cycle algorithm. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So down, down, up, up. So this is fixed, this is fixed, we need to fix this. So we have one yellow petal over here, so that we have to replace it with this side. Okay, so simply bring this up like this, and we have to replace it with this yellow petal and bring this back. So this is done. Now since we again moved our edge piece out, so we'll bring this up, up, down, and down. Okay, okay, so now we have to fix this orange piece, and here we have to fix this blue piece. So simply we'll fix this from here, but first we will fix blue along with orange. So blue petal is here, that we will fix it from this side. So simply bring this up, and we can fix it from this side. So this is fixed, and now we have to fix it this petal. So simply bring this up, up, down, and down. Okay, so now we have to fix this, and this. So we have this petal which we can use it like this. So simply we have to take this out like this and bring this up, place this yellow petal and bring this down. Okay, so this is fixed. Now we have to fix this petal. So simply we have to take this petal out first, and we can use this algorithm. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So up, up, down and down. Okay, so now we can see this is fixed. Now we have to fix the last 3 edge pieces, I mean 2 petals and 1 edge piece to fix this. So what we'll do is simply we have to bring this up like this, and up, okay. Now we have 2 edge pieces which we need to fix. So we'll use this position like this, and we'll fix this petal and back, and this petal and back. Okay, so now we have 1 2 pieces we need to fix it. So what we'll do is we'll use this petal as our third petal which we can fix it. So this will come here, sorry, this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is down, down, up and up, and now we'll bring this back, and this is solved. So I'll just show you 2-3 cases that only 2 petals are left, only 3 petals are left, how to solve it. Okay, so this is one case wherein 1 white petal is here and 2 white petals are popped out. So how to fix this? So first, this solved one, I mean which is not popped out, we'll keep this in front, and this is our white side. So we'll bring this white side up like this, and now from here we'll bring this white petal and fix it like this, and now we'll bring this orange and fix it. So this is done. I'll show you another case. Okay, this is another case wherein only 2 petals are left. So how to fix it? So what we'll do is we'll use this petal as to use force 3 cycle algorithm. So what we'll do is we'll fix it from here. So first we'll bring this yellow into this petal, like this, then we'll bring this petal over here, and now we'll put this orange into its correct position, back and back. So this is done. I'll show you another case. Okay, this is one more case wherein one yellow petal is on red side and this red petal is popped out on yellow side, and the entire cube is solved. So in this case what we have to do is we have to use sorry, we have to use this petal for 3 cycle algorithm. So bring this up, and now we'll have to bring this petal also up. Okay, now this will be our situation. So this petal will come here, this yellow will come here, and this red will come here. So it is down, down, up and up. So this is fixed and this is fixed. I'll show you one more case. Okay, this is one more case wherein one petal is popped out, this edge pieces is into petals position, so all other pieces are into correct position. So we need to just fix this. So simply we'll use 3 cycle algorithm. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is up, up, down and down. Okay, so I think I've solved almost all cases, but if you have any query you can message me. Thank you very much.